We're not in our hood. We're in Chico's hood. Chico, say what's up.
What's that, man?
We out here doing a little unboxing.
Do it real quick.
And a little photo shoot.
Do this little unboxing real quick.
Chico's part of the photo shoot. A slight drip today.
Let me get right into this little box.
Chico's dripping. This is a little foreshadowing for what we got in here.
Jersey probably cost you a fucking month rent.
No cap.
No kizzy. Let's see what we got. After that, we gotta show them the box. Cap City, shout out Cap City.
Oh, damn. You got the pink lemonade, John?
Yeah.
That shit's
Pink
fire.
lemonade, John.
That one was hard.
Pink lemonade, John. Pink UV on the bottom.
That one was crazy.
That bitch raw.
That shit mine now.
That bitch raw.
That one was crazy. Nice.
Hell yeah.
Cap City online.
Yeah.
Shout out Cap City.
Tap in. Getting more hats in.
No kizzy.
Let us know what sizes.
Hell yeah.
Slight
We out here doing a little photo shoot.
Thanks.
We're in the trenches. Me and Alejandro.
Slight day today. Feel me?
Show me the shades, bro. Show me the shades.
You peep it. You peep the
Gucci,
shades.
Prada, the whole enchilada. Feel me?
You already know.
Some slide. Just got the polo drip. It's a light day. One package for y'all. Open her up.
You already know, G.
It's a tiny box, so that must only mean one thing.
No keys.
Drogas. No, I'm just kidding. Nah, we're gonna see what's up.
Let's see what's cracking with it.
It's a hot day in AZ.
Oh my God.
If anybody's trying to let us use our crib to film, tap in. For real.
It's getting hotter out here.
We'll break some bread.
But we're out here for you guys, you feel me?
Indeed. Cover that.
Alright, team.
Little bag skis.
Take that little bag out.
Okay.
Okay. I'm already seeing some colors.
From Cap City. Cap City sponsor us. Cap City sponsor us.
Here it goes, G. Here it goes. Clean.
Got the fucking
Show 'em
UNC.
that pink.
Oh my god.
Yeah, show 'em
The cotton candy motherfucking UNC goddamn. Damn. Inaugural season. Damn, this is hard, bro.
Crazy.
Size 7 and 1/8. This is a clean ass hat.
It is, bro.
This is clean.
Clean as that.
You see this, the new era.
Tap in, because I know for sure that one will go
Throw
quick.
this on your head.
I have to.
Is this even your size?
Yeah, this one's my size.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, I might have to see what's up with it.
I didn't even know. I would put it on mine, but my fucking head's too big. Damn, that bitch is fresh. Coming to sun, Alex. Holy shit. Just stay right there. Stay right there.
Peep it. Just peep it.
Yeah. Damn, this shit right here, though, bro.
It goes crazy,
The
huh?
snake, yeah, the copper with the pink under. Oh my god, and the teal. That bit's hard.
It goes crazy.
Cap
for
City
sure.
did a great job with this one.
With this one for sure, bro. This hat.
Shout out Cap City, man.
These colors go crazy, bro, for sure.
Yeah, we gotta keep copping caps off of them for real.
For real, yeah. So hit us up with sizes, cause
Y'all
You
see
already
it? We
know.
copping caps for real.
yeah, we cop. I know the other episodes we got some more
Yellow
hats
one?
too. Yeah. for
Shit, y'all
sure.
might have even seen it before this, honestly.
Yeah, for sure.
But yeah,
So we
tap
slide
in,
though.
DM TDP.fitteds.
Yes,
What
sir.
hat, what team, everything.
Yeah, and then come
Sliding.
get your shoes at TDP, the Drip Pharmacy.
The Drip Pharmacy, no kizzy.
I'll go that way.
Slick.
Just out here.
Something slide.
Get 'em into
2
these
boxes.
You already know.
Sure, something slide. Me and Alex back in the cut.
Yes, sir. We just out here.
Quick drip check. Got the Georgetowns on. He's just 600 right now. I'm just playing. She got the what? Bread.
Yeah.
Jordan 1 low bread.
Someone try it.
The rib denim. The Prada denim. True religion, whatever.
No kissing.
Shinobi Alliance, don't play. Rasengan. The Pradas. Some slide. Get me on the drip cam, G.
You already know he's on his shoes.
Slide. You already know, you feel me? Tommy for your mommy.
Drip check, you already know.
For your
Show
bitch.
the pearls right quick, G.
Show the purse.
Okay.
Cost me $1 million.
Okay. Alright,
Yeah,
dude,
we're
we're
gonna
gonna
get
get
to
into
these
this.
boxes. Go ahead, we got one. Both of them are pulled, so.
Alright, I think you got this one, G. Just pull it. Damn, G. Just rip it open, G. Full boxes
Nike,
sometimes.
you gotta pick these full boxes, man.
Be ripping too, G. Alright, let's see.
Something's like.
Size
got a
13.
Jordan Jordan box, size 13.
Jordan box. Yeah. Okay.
23.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Jordan 1 mid.
Something slight.
It's like a what, navy
Yeah.
color? Let's get onto the sun real quick.
Something slight.
It's pretty clean.
Yeah, I like the color.
Yeah. This is a clean fits with those for sure.
Yeah, these go crazy. I ain't even gonna lie.
Low key like Georgetown colorway, like the blue.
A little bit. Just a little off.
Yeah, just a little.
Yeah, these aren't bad though. These are like a dark greenish blue.
Okay.
These are sick though.
They're pretty cool. Sure,
Size 13.
Cap.
Yeah, we needed some more size 13. This is a good cop.
We have no 13 anymore. We sold all of them.
Yeah, sell us your size 13s if you have any for sale.
Clean shoe for sure.
Sell us your collection. We're buying always.
No cap. Buying
If the deals
right
are great. Go ahead and open up this other box.
Get into the deal real quick.
We got a couple more packages coming later on in the week.
Indeed. We'll show you guys. Okay.
Got a white Jordan box. Something slight.
Okay.
Jordan 11. What are these called again? Do you remember?
I forget.
Pure violet.
Yeah, they're violet. Yeah, pure
Jeez, these are hard.
They are.
Damn, these are
8
wet.
wide. They're 9.5.
9.5 women's, 8 men. Y'all tap in. These go crazy.
Yeah, in the sun they go hard.
Jeez, don't play. Damn, bro.
Like
These
the
go
bottoms,
hard.
They go hard for sure.
These are slept on. Salus these.
Salus for sure, yeah.
Salus these. Holy damn,
Yeah,
Alex,
these
bro.
go
The
crazy,
quality
bro.
of these is wild.
Look at that, bro.
Holy shit.
These
And
are
they got
nice.
extra laces.
Yeah. Like
Damn,
what? Like a
extra
little light
laces.
purple.
What's
Violet.
this? I'd probably just keep it with the white.
Yeah, it looks clean like that.
I don't even think they made these in my size.
Yeah, it's all woman sizes. I
Women's?
think the biggest is like 10 and a
Your
half, and
size?
then yeah.
No, just leave them out so you can
Yeah,
take
for
pictures.
sure. Oh yeah, for sure.
Damn.
Yeah. 2 boxes for today.
These are good cops for sure.
For sure. Like I said,
These are definitely
slept
my
on.
favorite, bro. These are definitely
Yeah.
my favorite.
I
I
said-
have to.
These ones are my favorite too. Dude, they're nice.
Yeah.
Very clean.
These are hard, bro.
Those these right here. A little
Damn.
2-piece right quick right now.
Hell yeah. These are sick.
Yeah, we're getting more shoes coming in, so we'll let you guys know too.
Yeah, no kids, you got a couple shirts coming in, Supreme. You already know. Salus your Supreme tees. No kidding. That's it, G. Is that all we have to say? Follow the Drip Pharmacy. Follow TDP.fitteds.
Yeah, we're building more.
TDP
on that, for sure.
pool is coming soon, G. TDP
Okay.
everything. It's the takeover. Slap. Drip fam, we back. As y'all can see, I got 2 more packages. We just unboxed these 2 yesterday, me and Alex. And I'm about to take pictures of them. Post on the Instagram. Make sure y'all follow at the Drip Pharmacy. Yeah, let's see what we got in these. This might be a little hard, 'cause I ain't got the knife. And I'm solo. Couple packages off some resellers. This one's a Supreme tee. Shout out JC Resells for the hookup. Got this for the low. Tap in if you need that, size large. Supreme scratch tee. Had a few of these in different colorways. And this one, I forgot what bro's name was. It was like, I don't know. I'll definitely put it up on the screen though, as well as his too. Size 11. That's a custom Air Force Zone TDP Forces. Says slap right there. Let's see what these are. Size 11. Like I said, I got these up another reseller yesterday. You know, I had to cop another pair of these. Can definitely see these going up. Jordan 1 mid chocolate. Fire pair. Fire pair. I already have these sold. So yeah, if there's a pair of shoes on these source, tap in. We can get that for you. That's gonna do it for this little clip. And now for me to take some pics. Slap.